The clipboard is a temporary placeholder for contents or data that you want to move around. To display the clipboard, click on the dialog box launcher for the clipboard group of commands on the Home tab. This will launch the clipboard pane. The clipboard pane displays the content of the clipboard and provides options for working with the contents of the clipboard. You can use the commands on the clipboard group of the Home tab without displaying the clipboard pane. To close the clipboard pane, click on Close. I will display the clipboard pane so that you can view the contents of the clipboard pane as we progress. To copy the content of cell A2 to cell G3, select cell A2, then click on the copy command on the clipboard group of the Home tab. Note the ants around cell A2. Also note the information provided on the status bar. Observe that there is content on the clipboard. Select the destination where you want to copy this content to. In this case, that is cell G3. Then click on the paste command on the clipboard group of the Home tab. That's it. The content of cell A2 is now copied to cell G3. The ants on cell A2 will not go away until you get another cell to the ready mode. Alternatively, press the escape key on the keyboard. You can paste the content of the clipboard at any time if you select a destination. Then select the item on the clipboard pane and choose Paste. You can also delete an item from the clipboard. Note that depending on context, you can get more paste options from the paste command on the clipboard group of the Home tab if you click here. In addition, you can cut the content of a cell to another cell. For example, let's cut the content of cell A3 to cell D4. To cut the content of cell A3 to cell D4, select cell A3. On the clipboard group of the Home tab, click on the Cut command. Then select the destination for the content, which is cell D4, and click on the Paste command on the clipboard group of the Home tab. Finally, you can copy formatting like content if you use the Format Painter command.